Hey everyone, welcome to today's Explainer. If you've been wanting to dip your toes into automation but honestly felt kind of overwhelmed by the clunky interfaces out there, well, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're exploring the completely revamped Copilot Studio Workflows interface. I like to think of this as your new, highly intuitive, beginner-friendly command center. We're going to see how Microsoft has fundamentally redesigned this workspace to make building and deploying AI automations not just accessible, but genuinely a lot of fun.
So, here's our game plan for today. We'll start by meeting the new designer workspace, check out some handy color-coded notes, see how to easily deploy AI Copilot agents, look at a really cool new testing feature, and then tie the whole shebang together with a real-world expense receipt showcase.
All right, first up, meeting the designer and getting comfortable in your brand new flexible workspace.
Before we get too far, let's make sure we're all on the exact same page. What actually is a workflow in this Copilot Studio context? Basically, it's just an automated sequence of actions triggered by something specific, like an email arriving or a file upload. But here's the kicker, the big difference from the older cloud flows you might be used to. Workflows are licensed by consumption through Copilot Studio credits, not per user. So you're essentially paying for an automated assistant by the task it completes, rather than buying it a permanent seat at the table.
And honestly, building these tasks has never been more fluid. You literally just drag and drop action nodes exactly where you want them. You can delete connections that don't make sense, redraw them seamlessly, reshape the whole flow. It's totally up to you. Whether you like viewing your logic scaling horizontally across the screen or stacking vertically down the page, you have complete control. The whole thing is specifically designed to completely eliminate that intimidation factor. You're just visually mapping out a process step by step.
Okay, moving on to Section 2. Let's look at a wonderfully simple feature that declutters your canvas and keeps things perfectly organized. So what's really cool here is how low-tech but high-impact this feature actually is. You know how messy a canvas can get with triggers and conditions everywhere? Well, now you can just drag and drop these resizable, color-coded notes right into the mix. You pick custom colors to visually sort things like maybe red for error handling and green for a successful action. You can resize the boxes to really emphasize crucial steps. It's a total game changer for documenting your logic. So if a colleague looks at it, or, let's be real, if you look at it 6 months from now, it makes total sense instantly.
Next up, Section 3, AI Copilot Agents. This is where the real magic happens, bringing these digital colleagues directly into your daily processes.
In this new interface, AI is front and center. But what do we actually mean when we say agent? Try not to think of it as complex lines of code. Think of it as a highly trained digital colleague. These agents live in Microsoft 365 Copilot, and the best part is they are grounded in your company's actual documents and policies. They aren't just generic AI. They know your business inside and out, and they are standing by, ready to execute tasks.
Connecting them into your workflow is surprisingly simple. First, you just select the Microsoft 365 Copilot integration from the menu. Second, you choose a pre-deployed agent, like, say, a researcher. And third, you just type out and schedule a specific prompt for them. In our source material, the creator literally just told a researcher agent to go find info on the new designer, keep it short, and do it without asking follow-up questions. It is exactly like delegating a task to an eager intern.
And you have total control over how they operate in the background. Check out these two simple settings. If you toggle Prefer Async, the workflow fires the prompt off to the agent and then immediately keeps running its next steps without waiting for the agent to finish. But if you want to keep an eye on things, you can toggle Conversation Visible. That makes the prompt your workflow automatically sent show up right in your standard Copilot chat interface, so you can actually watch the agent doing its research in real time.
All right, Section 4. Let's talk about testing on the fly, because checking your work just got incredibly frictionless.
If you've built automations before, you know the absolute pain of the old way. You've got a massive 20-step flow, and you just want to see if step 15 is formatting an email right. You used to have to run the entire thing from the beginning, triggering dummy data, just to test that one step. Well, the new way scraps that completely. Now you can test individual actions natively right in the UI with a single click of a play button.
Our source, DemoBird365, hit the nail on the head here. He notes, we have the ability to test actions individually without running the whole flow, so you can test them as you build. This means whether you're listing rows, running a prompt, or sending an email, you can isolate it and verify it immediately. For a beginner, this is absolutely huge for building confidence. You don't have to cross your fingers and hope the whole machine runs. You just verify each gear as you place it.
Okay, Section 5, the Expense Receipt Showcase.
Let's tie all these fantastic features together with a day-in-the-life simulation.
Imagine processing expense reports. Tedious, right? So we deploy an expenses agent and ground it on some strict company rules. Rule 1, calculate diners based on the main meal count. Rule 2, standard meals must be under $30. Rule 3, a glass of alcohol has to be under $10. And its main job? Automatically identify anything that breaks these rules and remove those policy exceptions from the final claim.
So here's how that looks as a workflow. 4 simple steps. 1, our trigger. A new receipt file drops into a SharePoint folder. 2, the workflow grabs the file content. 3, it hands it to our expenses agent and waits for it to analyze everything against our rules. And 4, it takes the agent's final decision and emails it right back to us. Super clean and completely hands-off.
But for our test, we're going to throw a curveball at our digital colleague. We upload a receipt from a restaurant called the Rusty Anchor. And on it, a pricey lobster roll way over the $30 limit, and a fancy glass of red wine that definitely blows past the $10 alcohol allowance.
So, mini cliffhanger time. The file hits SharePoint, the workflow grabs the image, the agent starts processing. Will the AI actually catch these extravagant items automatically without any human stepping in to look at the receipt?
The results hit our inbox and absolutely yes! Looking at the breakdown, the agent perfectly detected the exceptions. It flagged the lobster roll as over $30 and deducted it. It flagged the wine as over $10 and ruthlessly deducted that too. It approved the standard items, tallied the correct total, and even added guidance notes explaining exactly why it made the deductions based on company policy. Flawless background execution.
And that wraps up our explainer. Knowing what you know now, that you can visually organize your logic, test steps on the fly without breaking your flow, and easily deploy AI assistants that literally know your company policies, I've got to ask, what manual, tedious process are you going to hand over to a Copilot agent tomorrow? The tools are ready and waiting in your new command center. Thanks so much for joining me, and I can't wait to see what you automate next.